Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Glassdoor profile, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to glassdoor.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on the main Glassdoor page where you can start customizing your profile. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on your name. This will take you directly to your profile settings where you can make all the necessary changes to personalize your account. If you want to add a profile picture, tap the pencil icon. This allows you to upload an image that represents you professionally on the platform. A profile picture helps make your account more credible and recognizable to potential employers and colleagues. Next, click the image from your computer files that you'd like to use as your profile picture, then click Open. This will upload the selected image to Glassdoor. Once the image appears, click Save to confirm your choice and apply the new profile picture to your account. Since I already set my profile picture, I will show you the next step in the setup process. This is where you'll enter all your personal and professional information to complete your profile. Start by entering your first name in the designated field. Below that, enter your last name. These fields are essential as they identify you on the platform and help employers find you when searching for candidates. Below your last name, you'll see the employment status field. Click the drop-down menu to select your current employment status. This could be employed, unemployed, or actively looking for work depending on your situation. Choosing the right status helps Glassdoor suggest relevant job opportunities. Next, below the employment status, enter your job title in the field provided. Be specific here, as this information helps match you with positions that align with your experience. Below your job title, enter your employer. This shows where you currently work or where you last worked, adding credibility to your profile. After that, enter your location in the field below. Your location is important because employers often filter candidates by geographic area, so being accurate here increases your visibility for local opportunities. Below the location field, click the drop-down menu to select your primary industry. This categorizes your professional background and helps Glassdoor recommend jobs and content relevant to your field. Once you've selected your industry, move to the field below and click the drop-down menu to select your specialization. This narrows down your expertise within your industry, making your profile even more targeted and useful for recruiters. Finally, click Save to store all the information you've just entered. Your Glassdoor profile is now fully set up with all your essential professional details, making it easier for employers to find and connect with you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.